and I'm so confused. So confused. Good morning, happy Sunday. I had absolutely no intention of vlogging today. This is a completely unplanned, random day in the life vlog. So today's literally just gonna be a random day in the life on a Sunday, getting towards the very end of lockdown. So it's one of our last lockdown weekends ever. I'm currently making some banana oat protein pancakes. The very first one turned out amazing. Look at her in all her glory. Blueberries are amazing right now as well. I'm currently editing a video, doing my rewatch of it to make sure it's all good, and writing out the chapters. I'm just getting changed and putting on my long socks because I was tossing up between taking a rest day today or doing like a recovery run, like a long conditioning run, not actually long for a distance runner, but like a 5k or something like that. This is like my lockdown schedule, by the way, because usually we'll have conditioning hills on a Sunday, but on lockdown I've been swapping between taking 2 rest days, but the weather's just so beautiful today that I thought it'd be really nice to try and do a run along the river. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully my shins don't hate me for it, but I'll just listen to them, and if they tell me freaking stop, then I shall. I'll just have to like roll and really get into them first. So before I go there, I'm going to spend the morning smashing out some of my ebook. So when I say that, I don't mean doing the ebook, I mean working on it, like designing it. Oh, it takes me around an hour to type up each workout and do all the like designing stuff. So what I've done for like one of the workouts is I took videos of me doing each exercise, then I screenshot the videos at various places to show, like demonstrate the movement, and then I'm going to cut the picture out and paste it into the ebook. So I wrote a list of all the exercises to take video photos of today, which I'll do after my run. Oh, someone asked me my secret to having a bun stay in while I run or do exercise. The secret is about 8 hair ties, like just over and over and over. Okay, really sad story guys, but I recorded the entire run on the GoPro and was like filling you in and showing you the pace and stuff the whole time. And my GoPro was set to time-lapse mode, so this is the time-lapse slowed down in parts to 1%, and it's just awful footage, and I was so upset because I got home and I was like, yes, let's go look at this GoPro footage. And the river was beautiful, and I just took some beautiful landscape shots, and this is what we get. So that's awkward and really sucks, but basically I ran 4k along the river. I went all the way to the end and then back to the start and then turned around until I got to 4k. It was so freaking packed this day. I was like weaving in and out of people, weaving in and out of cars. I was showing you the pace there. I was trying to hold it under 4 minute per k pace, but that didn't happen after the first 2Ks. It was a little bit hilly and windy, and I did fill you in on all of this, but this is what we get instead because the freaking time-lapse setting on the GoPro. So just trust me, take my word, it was really beautiful and a nice run, just super packed. And then I attempted to show the stats and fill you in on the run. It wasn't that quick, it was 17 minutes for the 4K, but it was really nice. And then I kind of chatted about it and filled you in for 3 minutes of me talking, but it was on time-lapse the entire time. I literally lost Dad. I'm just gonna have to walk home and then call him when I get home and be like, I'm back home, by the way, because we walked down here. Jokes! Oh my gosh, he's right there.
Look at it, it's ridiculous, it's like Bondi.
Do you want to walk home? That was so awkward, like it was a nice run, but it was just so packed. I was like weaving between cars, and like there were really bad drivers as well. A really pretty flower in the bush. What the heck? you just use camera? What is that app?
Because it tells you what the flower is.
Oh, what the heck? Dad has an app where you take a picture of a plant and it tells you what plant it is.
Hedge bindweed, granny out of bed, bellbird, bellbind.
Australian plants just have strange names.
It's not Australian.
Oh. Dad's just telling me about how easy his job is and...
And?
And?
That's alright, it's enjoyable.
He's a teacher.
So
what did Ebony say? I'm just setting up this little space to film two things. First, I'm going to film a follow along, not a follow along, I'm going to film like an Instagram workout because I've been really enjoying doing like little Instagram editing and videos. So it's just going to be like a really quick Instagram like ab workout. And then I wrote a list of the exercises that I need to take pictures for my ebook today. This is like not even a tenth of the exercises in it. They're just like the list that I made today, and I was like, that's going to take me forever. So I'll just start with that. I literally just did all of them and I hadn't pressed start record on my yeah. Yummy.
What a weirdo.
I know. Rio, come on, Tuna. Aww.
Don't want it.
What's wrong with her? Oh, she got there. She made it.
You like the raspberry.
Okay, I've literally spent like more than 4 hours working on the ebook today, and I'm very done right now with it, so I'm not going to do any more ebook today. I'm having a lunch break right now. I just made myself this massive tuna salad. There's heaps of like brown rice, peas and corn buried underneath. Then I just put in hummus and lime, just drowned it with lime, spinach, coriander, beetroot, and then a tin of yellowfin tuna in spring water. And I'm a coriander fan. So I'm going to chill out for a little bit now, and then after lunch I'll do some uni work and then some editing. Okay, while I have lunch, I also wanted to mention the Instagram algorithm has been really nice to me. This has never happened before, but this video, I'll put it here, that I put as an Instagram reel just randomly, has gotten a ridiculous amount of views. I'm like very shook. It's gotten 121,000 views. And yesterday morning it had 56,000 views, and then by the night it had like 90,000, and then I woke up and it had like 110,000, and I'm so confused. So confused. But also very glad. Very grateful. Thank you, Instagram algorithm. Appreciated it. This is literally wild. This has never happened to me. But like every time I go on Instagram, my followers have gone up by so much. Like it's gone up by 100 since yesterday. What the fuck? Like thank you so much, Instagram algorithm. Also, I noticed that I cracked my screen when I was filming outside before, so love that for me. So it's 2:34 and there is like 8,991 followers. I'm shook. So I'll recheck in like 2 hours or so and see what the heck goes on with that. Literally cray. Cray. o'clock. I've just been studying for the last... My phone's cracked. I've just been studying for the last like hour and a bit. Yeah, so I was about to go on Instagram and then I was like, wait, I'll turn the camera on and see the update. It might not have gone up at all. No, it's only gone up by 3. I guess it's like a weird time of the day for people to be on Instagram. Except I'm gonna post a picture now which might disrupt it. Okay, that was my update. Okay, I am going to chill out for a little bit and then probably go for a little walk before I have a shower because I'm feeling tired. I've literally been on the computer doing like computer work all day. I did some uni stuff for an assignment and just spent all day doing my ebook. So anyway, I'm gonna chill out and have a little snack. So I'm just gonna snack on some roast almonds because delicious. And I wanted to show you guys this because if you follow my Instagram, you would have seen me post a recipe, but I made these like healthy hazelnut chocolate protein brownies. I used the Macro Mike choc hazelnut protein. I'm not the biggest fan of that protein just like as a protein shake. So I wanted to like bake with it. And these are so good. It's literally like I blended oats, I used the protein, hazelnut butter, almond milk. I put the recipe on my Whole Food Gram Instagram, so I'll link it below. But I'm gonna have one of these now. Like this is the texture. It's like really fudgy and rich. I'm gonna make a tea actually. I feel like I could go with the tea. The crispiness of this skin. Ready? Holy shit. It's so good. I'm so tired. It's literally 9 o'clock. I've spent the last 3 hours editing a vlog. I kept telling myself okay, stop, have some wind down time and try and get to bed early. I've been in a really good habit the last week trying to get to bed early to get ready for when lockdown ends soon, when I'm gonna have to get up really early for work some days. So I want to be able to fall asleep early so I don't get fucking like 5 hours of sleep. Yeah, but I just have no concept of like stopping. I was like, nah, I just want to keep going till I finish editing it. So I edited a vlog for 3 hours. Anyway, it's late. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video here. I still haven't digested either, even though it's been hours. Like that dinner was massive, but I need to go and have a snack anyway because I have expended a lot of energy today, so I probably need more energy. I'm so tired. Anyway, yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for getting this far in the video if you're still here. If you are still here, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. I think that's all I have to say. Bye!